bones doctor, orthopedist, mental health doctor, psychiatrist. Hi everyone. So welcome back to Speak Up today, bringing you a new topic that is names of doctor for various diseases. By the way, it's me Yashriba. I'm a student of Cox's Bazar International School and I stand class 7. So let's go on the topic. Number 1, teeth doctor, dentist. Number 2, women's health doctor, gynecologist. Number 3, children's doctor, pediatrician. Number 4, skin doctor, dermatologist. Number 4, brain and nerve doctor, neurologist. Number 6, eye doctor, ophthalmologist. Number 7, bones doctor, orthopedist. Number 8, mental health doctor, psychiatrist. Number 9, cancer doctor, oncologist. Number 10, hormones and diabetes doctor, endocrinologist. Number 11, ear, nose and throat doctor, otolaryngologist. Number 12, digestive system doctor, gastroenterologist. So if you like this video, like and share. Bye bye.